Good morning all. Today we are reading textbook in geography for class 8th, social science, resources and development, page number 46, continuing chapter number 4, a farm in India. There is a small village Adilabad in Ghazipur district of Uttar Pradesh. Munna Lal is a small farmer in this village who has farmland of about 1.5 hectares. His house is in the main village. He purchases high-yielding varieties of seeds from the market every alternate year. The land is fertile and he grows at least two crops in a year, which are normally wheat or rice and pulses. The farmer takes advice of his friends and elders as well as government agricultural officers regarding farming practices. He takes a tractor on rent for plugging his field. Though some of his friends still use traditional method of using bullocks for plugging. There is a tube well in the nearby field which he takes on rent to irrigate his field. This figure 4.14 is showing farmers plugging a field. Munna Lal also has two buffaloes and a few hens. He sells milk in the cooperative store located in the nearby town. He is a member of the cooperative society which also advises him on the type of fodder for his animals, safety measures to protect the health of the livestock and artificial insemination. All the members of the family help him in various farm activities. Sometimes he takes credit from a bank or the agriculture cooperative society to buy HYV seeds and implements. He sells his produce in the mandi located in the nearby town. Since majority of the farmers do not have lakh storage facilities, they are forced to sell the produce even when the market is not favorable to them. In recent years, the government has taken some steps to develop storage facilities. Figure 4.15 showing an agriculture field in India. A farm in the USA. The average size of a farm in the USA is much larger than that of an Indian farm. A typical farm size in the USA is about 250 hectares. The farmer generally resides in the farm. Some of the major crops grown are corn, soybean, wheat, cotton, and sugar beet. Joy Horan, a farmer in the Midwest USA, in Iowa State, owns about 300 hectares of land. He grows corn in this hill field after making sure that soil and water resources meet the needs of this crop. Adequate measures are taken to control pests that can damage the crop. From time to time, he sends the soil samples to a soil testing laboratory to check whether the nutrients are sufficient or not. The result helped Joy Horan to plan a scientific fertilizer program. His computer is linked to the satellite which gives him a precise picture of his field. This helps him to use chemical fertilizer and pesticides wherever they are required. He uses tractors, seed drills, levelers, combined harvester and threshers to perform various agriculture operations. Grains are stored in the automated grain storage or dispatched to market agencies. The farmer in USA works like a businessman and not like a peasant farmer. This figure 4.16 is showing a farm in the USA. 4.17 figure showing spray of pesticides. This figure 4.18 is showing mechanized harvesting in the USA. Question and answers of chapter 4. Question number 1. What is agriculture? Answer is agriculture. The word agriculture is derived from Latin word ager or agri, meaning soil, and culture, meaning cultivation. Agriculture is the science and art of cultivation on the soil, raising crops and rearing livestock. It is also called farming. Then question number 2. Name the factors influencing agriculture. The factors influencing agriculture are climate, soil type, irrigation technology, and population diversity. Question number 3. What is shifting cultivation? What are its disadvantages? Shifting cultivation is practiced in the thickly forested areas of Amazon basin, tropical Africa, parts of Southeast Asia and Northeast India. Its disadvantages are deforestation, loss of fertility of a specific area, soil erosion, air pollution, and insufficient crop cultivation for a large population. Question number 4. What is plantation agriculture? Answer is plantation agriculture are type of commercial farming where single crop of tea, coffee, sugarcane, cashew, rubber, banana or cotton are grown. Large number of labor are required. Question number 5. Name the fiber crops and name the climatic conditions required for their growth. Answer is jute and cotton are fiber crops. First is jute. Jute require high temperature, heavy rainfall and humid climate. It grows well on alluvial soil. It grown in tropical areas. Second is cotton. Cotton require high temperature, high rainfall, 210 frost-free days and bright sunshine for its growth. It grown best on black and alluvial soil. Exercise number 2. Pick the correct answer. Horticulture means option A is right answer, growing of fruits and vegetables. Then second, golden fiber refers to, its answer is option number 3, which is jute. And third is leading producers of coffee. Its answer is A, Brazil. Exercise number 3. Give reasons. In India, agriculture is a primary activity. Agriculture is primary activity because many regions in India have fertile land and that is favorable for agriculture. Second is different crops are grown in different regions. Because growing of crops depends upon the geographical conditions, demand of produce, labor and level of technology. Activity number 4. Question number 4. Distinguish between the following. First, primary activities and tertiary activities. Primary activities are related to production and extraction of natural resources such as fishery, agriculture and mining. And tertiary activities, it provides support to primary and secondary activities or sectors in carrying out their activities like transportation, banking, etc. Distinguish between subsistence farming and intensive farming. Subsistence farming is its practice to meet the needs of the farmer's family, low level of technology and labor required. And intensive farming is the farmer cultivates a small plot of land using simple tools and more labor.